After 3 weeks of incubation, 18 to 21 days, pecking will be heard from the nest. The gentle tapping and movements coming from deep within the nest are signs that the female is feeding her first baby. They will partially eat the eggshells and throw the rest out. At this point, it's hard to contain curiosity, so almost everyone will want to peek into the nest and see the first chick. If the bird is taken out of the nest, which is not recommended, it should not last long, and the hens must be warm and clean. Like all parrots, budgies are born incomplete. The eyes are closed, the beak is not formed, the gloves have just sprouted, and no feathers at all. Only the digestive system is well developed, and the chicken will continue to consume large amounts of food and thus continue to develop outside the egg. The parents will feed him very carefully, so that initially the father will transfer the food from his crowd to the mothers, and she will give it to the baby. After 2 days, the second chick will hatch, after 4 the third, and so on. That is, the chicks will hatch every other day, in the same order as the eggs were laid. Feather shoots will begin to sprout on the back and wings of the first. No matter how many chicks the mother has in the nest, she will feed each one with the exact amount and type of food. The smallest chicks will receive mushy food and the largest will receive granular food. The mother will first feed the oldest chicks, and that with grains from the top, and the youngest will be given already half cooked from the bottom of the crow. Baby parrots cry like human babies when they are hungry. A small sound will be a call that the baby is hungry, and the baby parrot will calm down until the next feeding. It is simply amazing how skillfully the mother budgie does it. Since the smallest baby cannot stand on her legs, she lies on her stomach, supported by her wings, while her head is laid to the side. The mother will carefully, with the help of her beak and legs, turn her onto her back and so put food in her beak. When the first young hatch, it is good to try to put sawdust on the floor of the nest. This is convention to do for easier cleaning of the nest, because the remaining eggs get dirty with chicken droppings. When the sawdust gets dirty, it should be replaced with a new one. The mother, since she is now busy taking care of the cub, will pay less attention to preparing the nest and are less likely to throw sawdust out. The sawdust must not be small, so that it does not enter the bird's nostrils.